1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title of the video, you already know what I'm excited for. So I'm going to unbox my new guitar. I already had a guitar before, but that guitar is too small for me. So here's another guitar and we're going to unbox it. So without any further delay, let's start it. So here is the guitar. So I ordered it from Amazon and I will display the model number here. So let's open it. I know I have to struggle a lot to open it because packaging is really sturdy. Lots of struggle to open this box. Okay, it's open good, but it has another box inside. Here we got the main box. It's heavy as hell.
Just wanna chill with my friends.
Coming to the main guitar. I'm so freaking excited to open this. What is this? So heavy. This have a very good packaging. Also this foamy kind of wrapping thingy. So I don't know what is this. This is this also has a covering over the strings. So I'm gonna open this covering. Super beautiful. Now it's untuned. We will have to tune it. But if speaking of the appearance, I knew it would look like this. This is good. It's perfect. So I have already tuned this guitar, so we can play some chords, and I'm a beginner, so please don't judge because I barely know how to play guitar. Sound is definitely really good, and my dad guitar was really small for me. There weren't all the frets also, but this guitar has everything I want. This is a much bigger guitar and I'm so happy to have this guitar. And by the way, this is Cadence A300 and I'm gonna also paste the link on my description box for you to check out this guitar too, because this is absolutely a good guitar. If your favorite color is this one and you want a guitar, here is this. For today, this only will be meeting in the next video, probably with a study vlog. So stay tuned, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because half of the people watch my videos and don't subscribe to my channel, so you better go and subscribe. For today, this only. Bye.